Hello students, in this video we will discuss about verify the collinearity of any 3 points by section formula. If suppose 3 points given in any space, that means in 3D, then how to verify that all 3 points are collinear. As you know that collinear means if all points lie on the same straight line, then we can say that all points are collinear. For a better understanding, we will take here one numerical problem and try to understand how to prove that given points are collinear. Our problem is using section formula, prove that the 3 points this and this are collinear. Now, if we suppose this is the point P, this is the point Q and this is the point R, then we should prove that P, Q and R are the collinear. But condition is using section formula. For the solution, let S point whose coordinate is X, Y and Z divides P and Q in ratio lambda is to 1. We consider that any point, suppose here this is the P, this is the Q and this is the R. We suppose that any S point whose coordinate we consider as X, Y, Z and coordinate of P, Q, R are the given here. This point divide the PQ in the ratio lambda is to 1. Then we can find the coordinate of this S by the section formula, and this will be X equal to, first we write here, therefore coordinate of S will be, we can write all coordinates are the same, X equal to m1 x2, that means lambda into 2, that means 2 lambda plus 1 into minus 4, that means minus 4 whole upon lambda plus 1. This is the x coordinate. Y coordinate will be 4 into lambda, that means 4 lambda plus 1 into 6, that means 6 whole upon lambda plus 1, and Z coordinate will be 6 into lambda, that means 6 lambda plus 1 into 10, that means 10 whole upon lambda plus 1. This is the coordinate of point S where x equal to 2 lambda minus 4 upon lambda plus 1, y equal to 4 lambda plus 6 upon lambda plus 1, and z equal to 6 lambda plus 10 upon lambda plus 1. This is the coordinate of point S, which we consider divide PQ in the ratio lambda is to 1. Now, if this coordinate means x coordinate as equal to 14 consider, then let 2 lambda minus 4 whole upon lambda plus 1 equal to 14, because if PQR lie on the same line, then we can take this point will be equal to coordinate of R, means x coordinate of S equal to R coordinate, x coordinate of R, because P, S, Q are the collinear, and if we consider P, Q, R is a collinear, then we can suppose S point coincide at the R. So coordinate x of S equal to coordinate of x of the R we consider, and from this relation we can find the value of lambda. So this will be 2 lambda minus 4 equal to 14 lambda plus 14, cross multiply of this. So if you transfer 2 lambda on the right side, so this will be 14 lambda minus 2 lambda, this will be 12 lambda, and transfer 14 on the left side, so this will be minus 14 minus 4, this will be minus 18. Therefore, lambda equal to minus 18 whole upon 12, and this will be minus 3 by 2. Therefore, lambda equal to minus 3 by 2. Now, if we want to prove that PQR are the collinear, so if we putting the value of lambda in the y coordinate and z coordinate of S, and we getting the y coordinate is equal to the y coordinate of R and z coordinate is equal to the z coordinate of R, then we can say that PQR are the collinear. Therefore, 4 lambda plus 6 upon lambda plus 1 is equal to 4 into value of lambda is minus 3 by 2 plus 6 whole upon minus 3 by 2 plus 1. This will be equal to 2 to the 4, 2 minus 3, 2 into minus 3, this will be minus 6 plus 6 whole upon minus 3 plus 2 upon 2. This will be 0 upon minus 1 by 2, this will be 0. And as you see here, y coordinate of S is equal to getting the y coordinate of R, that means 0. And next, 6 lambda plus 10 upon lambda plus 1 equal to, if lambda replaced by minus 3 by 2, so this will be lambda into minus 3 by 2 plus 10 whole upon minus 3 by 2 plus 1. This will be equal to 2 into 2 3 is 6. So this will be minus 9 plus 10 whole upon minus 3 plus 2 upon 2. This will be 1 upon minus 1 by 2 equal to 1 into minus 2 by 1. This will be equal to minus 2, which is equal to the z coordinate of R, which is given minus 2. Therefore, we can say that P, Q and R are the collinear points. Collinear points. Thus, we have proved by using the section formula given point P, Q, R are the collinear. Now in the next video, we will take some numerical problem related to introduction of three-dimensional geometry.